Now, earlier we had the coin toss and Sunbury Primary won and decided to go first. So we'll begin with Sunbury Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock and begin with Bible knowledge. Sunbury, what was the name of Samuel's father?
The name of Samuel's father. We have Jesse. Jesse. 1, 2, 3. Jesse.
Incorrect, it's Elkanah. St. Andrew, what was the name of John the Baptist's mother?
Elizabeth.
Correct. Say that again.
Elizabeth.
Judges, I'm hearing two. Because I'm hearing Elizabeth, and that's incorrect. It's Elizabeth. Sunbury, signs for you. What is the name for the circulation of water through the earth and atmosphere in different states?
Fluid.
Would you like to try, St. Andrew?
Yes, please.
Water cycle.
That is correct. Still with you, St. Andrew. When the sun heats up water in rivers and turns it into vapor, what is this process called?
Evaporation.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Sunbury, complete the Jamaican proverb. Vaya dia mus mustil. Question passes to St. Andrew. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Imtinka cool breeze. Still with you, St. Andrew. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Mitro Mikan.
Tiano.
Ihafiland. I don't know. Ihafiland.
Yeah. Okay, let's say.
Ihafiland.
Incorrect. Minokal no foul. Sunbury, English language for you. Spell mountainous.
Mountainous.
The question passes to St. Andrew. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. Mountainous.
That is correct. Still with you, St. Andrew. Spell happening.
Happening.
That is correct. We move on to television. Sunbury, what is the name of the Snow Queen in the animated movie Frozen?
Elsa.
Correct. St. Andrew, what is the name of the Prince of the Southern Isles in the animated movie Frozen?
Hans.
Correct. General knowledge. Sunbury, which Jamaican high school uses the motto, the brave may fall but never yield?
Teachers College.
Incorrect, it's Kingston College. St. Andrew, which Jamaican high school uses the motto, learn or leave?
Just say something.
Campion.
Incorrect, it's Cornwall College. Social studies. Sunbury, what is the name of the special plaid cloth which is worn at any festival celebration in Jamaica?
Silk.
Incorrect, it's bandana. St. Andrew Prep, what is the name of the cultural dance which involves the plaiting of many different colored ribbons on a pole?
Maple.
That is correct. Music. Sunbury, complete the name of this Jamaican gospel group formed in 1971. The Grace
Of music.
That is incorrect, but I still need you to speak a little louder so that the judges at the back can hear. It's Grace Thrillers. St. Andrew, complete the stage name of this Jamaican gospel artiste. Rhoda.
Do you guys know?
Say
Simone
or something. Simone.
Incorrect, it's Isabella. Mathematics. Sunbury, what is the square root of 256? Question passes to St. Andrew Prep. Would you like to try?
Yes, please.
16 squared.
16.
The wrong answer came first. 16 is the answer. Still with you, St. Andrew. What is the square root of 324?
18.
18.
Correct. And that bell ends section 1. And the scores show St. Andrew Prep on 7 and Sunbury Primary on 1. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.